Yeah, I sent for you, my darling. You know you are my love. You are all I am.
Yeah.
My darling. My beautiful sister. So whatever that comes my way, I should let you know. I should give you updates.
Yeah.
I called you to pass you this information.
I hope all is fine.
Definitely, definitely. I and my friend, there's this lucrative business we just put on, and we have to go and check and put things right concerning the business before it kick off.
Okay, are you trying to invest in the business?
Definitely, yeah.
Well, how sure are you like the business is okay and all that? Have you checked once?
Come on, my darling, you should know me. And you should know your husband. I don't invest in negativity. I do things right.
I trust you, baby.
Good.
I know what you can do. Since you said you've already checked it out, it's fine. You can invest in it.
Good. Good. Now you've said I should carry on. I have no problem with it.
Okay, baby.
My darling. You know I love you so much. Your support is my progress.
That's why I'm your wife.
Your happiness is my happiness.
Thank you.
It's going to be
It's fine. It's okay. Okay, babe. Let me check on the kids.
Get me, okay, the kids, right? She should be inside. Cynthia.
Yeah, she is.
With them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. You just go check them. Get me a bottle of juice. Toronto.
Me, I'm much for you, sir.
I hope you are good.
Fine, sir.
You are good, right?
Yeah, sir.
I just came to let you know that next week I'll be traveling. And I'm going for a business trip.
I've been feared before.
Please, my kids and my wife, they are home. The full building, please take good care of
We
everyone.
are going alone.
Yes, I'm going alone. Please make sure everywhere is calm. You get me? Toronto, you should know the kind of person I am.
I trust you, sir.
I will always make you.
Very good man, sir.
I will always make you happy.
All right, how long are you staying?
A few days. Not up to a week. Make sure everywhere. The Toronto. Oh, the Toronto.
Yeah, Toronto. Same thing, sir.
All right. Okay, fine. That's what I just came to let you know.
Okay,
I'll see you later. I'll see you later.
What is it?
Madam, please, there's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
Please, ma, don't be upset.
Say something. I will.
Ma, please, I wanted you to help me tell Oga that business trip is planning to go. I wanted you to tell him not to go. Because if he goes, he won't shield anything. Rather, he will lose.
First and foremost, you were not there when we discussed about that business. So how did you know?
I felt it.
You felt it.
Yes, ma.
It's fine.
Thank you, ma.
You can go inside.
Thank you.
We are not there when we discussed about this business.
what we discussed here just now, Cynthia just told me that you shouldn't invest on it, that when you do, you lose.
You mean the business I discussed?
Yes. That you're gonna lose the money and all that. I don't know.
No, was she here when we were discussing?
She wasn't. I don't know how she held the discussion. She just said you shouldn't invest.
Did you one time told her?
I did not.
Cynthia, I believe she's hungry. Just go give her food.
No, only the way she was saying it, she's serious about it.
For crying out loud, what concerns Cynthia with my business? Can't you just think? Just go and give Cynthia food, okay? I believe she's hungry. Let me focus on what I'm doing. I really want to put this in place because the way it's brighting at night, it doesn't bright well.
Hello? Follow the side of that church, yes. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Well, they want to school now?
Yes.
Okay. I hope they don't chop it.
Please open this gate, they are late for school.
It's not back it now. And the follow Oga instructions. After eating, Oga said that you take care of food. I said, everything okay.
They are late for school.
I know that. Oga said, I take care of food. They don't chop.
They open this gate, they are late.
Have you eaten?
Yes.
Have you eaten? Which time have you been like it? Bye.
Can you open it?
Bye. Who is that? Hey, you are back from school. Now the afternoon, my dear. I will school today. You are fine. Did your uncle flog today or your auntie flog you today? You are free. Anytime your uncle flog you, come and tell me, yeah?
Pa Toronto, why are you inculcating bad things?
Yeah, go on. My children go and chop, yeah? You demand every day, give the food. When you walk outside, where
about this business. And I told you Cynthia asked you not to invest in it. Oh, you didn't believe it.
My dear, I should have listened to Cynthia. Never knew it would turn this way.
Babe, everything happened for a reason. Okay? Let's just pray for another one to come, a good one.
How about my loss?
God will provide.
All the money, all the time?
Babe, it's okay. Huh? God will provide. Everything will be fine. Okay? Please, you know I hate seeing you like this.
Are you sure everything good?
Of course. Of course. Okay? New opportunities will come. Genuine ones will come. Okay? Babe.
I'm just comfortable with this whole scenario.
You just have to. You don't have
I never knew it would turn this way.
It has already been done. There's nothing you can do. You just have to pray and hope for better ones to come. Okay? Okay, babe, let's go inside. The food is ready. Shut up now.
Please tell us a story.
You want to hear a story? Okay. There was this girl, her name was Olama. Her mother died. Ma? Ma? Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon. Madam, are you okay?
I'm fine. It's just my husband. He's feeling bad concerning the business you told him not to invest on and all that. And now he has lost the business.
Madam, I told you about this business.
You did. I told him. But I don't know. I'm just confused. I don't know.
It's okay. Don't feel bad, okay? Better ones will come. Okay?
Yeah, I just hope and believe
They
so.
will. Better ones will come.
It's okay. Come on, baby. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go and get your assignments.
Hope they've eaten.
Yes, ma'am.
Cynthia, hurry up now. Bring these kids. Let me go. I'm running late. What's keeping you guys?
Sorry, sir.
You taking your breakfast, right? Yes.
Sorry about that.
This is why I don't always wait for them. Oh. Baby, let's go to school. You are okay, right? Are you good? Are you good? Are you okay? Let's go. Yeah.
I'm going to decide today.
Okay, you want to... Alright. Take care of yourself, okay? Alright.
Be good, okay?
Hurry up.
Cynthia, be fast, okay? Alright. Bye. Mary.
Alright,
Bye.
baby, take care of yourself, okay?
Okay, and you too.
Okay, madam. Madam, please, before I leave, any type of
Oh, it's fine.
Madam.
What is it?
Madam, please, this place you are going to, please don't go, please. Please don't.
Quiet! Where's your formula? Where's your formula? You go!
It's okay. I don't understand.
Please don't go. I don't want you to go to this place you are going to.
Cynthia, this place I'm going to is very important. And they are waiting for me already. I have to be there. It's fine. Just go inside.
But don't be yourself. You be a formula.
It's okay.
So, formula, then is anything tomorrow.
Toronto, it's fine.
Make it go inside.
Go inside, okay? Nothing will happen to me. I'll be fine. It's fine. Go inside.
I don't want you to go.
I just told you I'll be okay. Okay, because this place I'm going to is very important. Very important. I have to be there now. They're waiting for me. Just go inside, okay?
Where worry. But I don't believe in when I say you be a formula.
How is it your business? 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 Do you know what I'm saying? Did you know what I'm saying?
What are you saying?
What did you know what I'm saying?
What are you saying? What do you see? You be a formula. You create. My name where you see for that person. You just for yourself. See for yourself. You just see. Then to talk to God for you. You go be a something for you. You create. They see. What do you see? You are going to see after okay. See what you're supposed to see, the craze. Madam, let me forgive money. The craze. So,
Lock it.
Hey,
I don't know. We never knew it was trapped. Hey!
Sorry. Hey, stop crying. It's okay. Hey.
Do what? Not doing what? Did what? Look at what you're saying. Did what?
I don't trust you.
And that's why I don't trust you either. It's you. You're a suspect. Patorito, you're a suspect. You're a suspect. You're a suspect.
What did you never happen before?
You're a suspect.
That's
why you were wanting her to go. Let's go inside. Patorito, you're a suspect. You are a suspect because we were not pushing her to go.
So person for this guy asked to go. Madam don't go. Madam don't go after you. She go there off. At the end, she go there off. Okay, because this we get out for the thing we happen. You get. I mean, as you say, in a bomb, I mean, no say go see today, go see tomorrow. You go to the bomb by force. Really, did you go happen for road? This is a bad thing. The bad thing get big. No, but that person big. The women in the area move, but see person will go before us. When the time most that's how you give it to me. And then I said, this will give the children wish. This one, that get a wish. They'll give them wish. If you go up, come for you.
Food is ready. Should I bring you?
Food?
Yes, sir.
Who did they want to start? Who did they start? What do we wish better?
Which? I cannot be giving you food.
I don't know. I've turned the time today. Perhaps today, not give me food again.
Why?
I don't trust you at all.
Don't trust me.
Wish. You will see tomorrow and next tomorrow.
You are the wizard.
And now you don't give me food.
Patorito, you are a wizard. Have I ever bewitched you? Is today the first time I'm giving you food?
What?
Have you not been eating my food since
Who
you
said
came to
food?
this
Who
house?
said to give me food? You are a wish food.
You are a wizard. You are a wizard.
You be wish.
You are a wizard.
You don't you say, see, when you are put tomorrow and next tomorrow, you're just here. Walking? What be you?
You are a wizard.
You be a bomber.
You be a bomber. You be a bomber.
Stop me like this. Mama will make a no, come give me food. Come
Yes, I will give you because today is not the first time I'm giving you food.
They say you come carry me.
In fact, I'm not giving you. You see food? I will not give you food till you leave this house.
Me will not eat your food
You
again.
will not eat again. I will not give you Betty. I won't give you.
You will say, I will we you were and ask what to if you will fly very well. Over fly with them after that will be. Make give me food. They just make go on the cover. The grace. How make give me food? Food for what? Then I will there. If I don't agree, I will never carry my food myself. You cannot give me food again for this house again. The grace. No, just small thing. You don't get what you going to happen tomorrow and tomorrow. Okay, are you God? You be God? You be God? I don't know that the Bible and the person that can say to them to next tomorrow. Don't be you. So if you from few parts of yourself. I don't know mother. I can't give you food. We can't food. Free food you want to give me when I got job. They go keep for my. I can't do it like for us. If you say the fly, my children they fly for us. We are going to why team like baby. Fly to each other. The craze you can wish. As you are. The craze.
Toronto.
Master.
Open the gate for me. I want to see a cold landlord.
Okay, sir. That was sir. You will you stay down?
No. Any problem?
No problem, sir. Okay, I've been see you before.
Why not allow me come back when you come to the house and talk to me?
I feel me, I just talk sir. I just notice, sir.
Is it that urgent?
Now urgent will be urgent, sir.
All right, talk to me.
Sir, I bet, sir. They buy my children for house.
What happened to them?
They are fine, sir.
Are they okay?
About to. Okay, no, okay, sir. They buy their school fees, sir. They try to come for school. They ask now, sir. I don't feel whether you see me give me a tip in their school fees, sir. That's sir.
Toronto, not up to a week I paid you your salary.
Not true, sir. Not true, sir. The thing I do, okay, sir. But you see, as a man, sir, money now they go here. Obligations they don't finish, sir. That's sir. Whether you feel give me small thing, me I take pay their school fees, sir. As we're talking, the day I saw, in school.
Toronto.
Toronto. You are trying for me, sir.
Toronto.
You have no other, sir.
Anyway, let me just come and send you.
Oh! Okay.
So run to you.
No, sir.
You must be afraid.
No, sir. I don't for you, sir.
I'm coming.
Yes, sir. Hey! Yeah.
Okay, please don't forget to pick up the kids from school, okay? Yes, ma'am. We're going out. We'll see you in the evening, okay?
Make sure you take care of yourself, okay?
Madam. Okay.
What is it?
Madam, please, this place you people are going to have a bad feeling. Something is not right, ma'am.
What is not right?
This place you are going to.
You mean we should go inside?
Yes, ma'am.
Cynthia, you mean where we are going to will not be good for us?
No, sir.
We should stay back?
Yes, sir.
Honey, you've heard her. Let's go. Cynthia, thank you. Jesus! 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 Jesus!
Honey?
Honey!
What happened?
Honey!
What?
Somebody just called me and said armed robber raided where we were supposed to go and killed everybody, no single soul left.
Eh?
Jesus!
Honey, like seriously?
Jesus! Where's Cynthia? Cynthia! Cynthia!
Sir!
Cynthia, come. Jesus!
Sir?
Cynthia,
Sir?
you just did us well.
Sir?
You saved our lives. You saved our lives, Cynthia. Cynthia, who are you? You saved our lives. Honey,
Madam, what happened?
do you know, Cynthia?
Sir?
Do you know that where we're supposed to go, they just called me that armed robber raided the place and killed every soul.
Jesus.
Cynthia, do you know what you've just done for me and my wife? How can we thank you enough?
You are thanking enough, sir.
Cynthia, you are really a godsend to me.
Amen.
God bless you. God listen to this family. God will continue to bless you.
Honey, would have been dead by
If
now.
not for her.
Jesus.
Ma, let me pick the kids.
It's fine.
My friends.
Toronto! Toronto! Toronto!
Sorry, madam.
Why did you leave your beauty post? Where did you go to?
Now, hungry. I want to go and buy food.
When there's food in the house?
That I don't tell that one. Can you imagine my life chop that careful? Would I go down with school? No.
Will you stop that? Cynthia!
You're not giving food now.
Cynthia! Ma!
Man, nobody will say the phone now.
What happened? Why didn't you give him food? What's that?
This one. Wish.
Who?
This one.
Why didn't you give him food?
Ma, I gave him food yesterday. He said he won't eat my food again, that I'm a witch.
Yes,
so
I'm a
that I
witch.
won't bewitch him.
In a mother and wish.
You are the witch! Will you stop that in presence of me?
This one doesn't cost me. Now, wish I don't get that
Stop that, sir.
If they fly, but they fly.
Stop it!
You are the one flying.
Cynthia!
Ma, sorry, ma.
This one.
She's old enough to be your daughter. Why calling her that name now?
Go for big party. This one will be my daughter. My daughter, they don't fly.
Please stop it.
Now, wish madam.
She's just gifted.
Give waiting. Give the okay. Give her wish. Can
you stop this, please?
You go back give me wish. Never. Give me wish.
So you'll be eating biscuits.
I like it like that.
Do you have to squander your salary when you have family to take care of?
Madam, I will squander that. If you that me, maybe I first squander my salary.
I have to report you to my husband if you don't take time.
I get my matter. Before come, tell her now.
Stop it.
Madam, I don't stop it. You say you're off to the job.
It's fine. My husband wants to get
Wait, wish. Wait. That's you are. Sure. That's the text.
You are here.
Okay.
A report gets to me that you are accusing Cynthia being a witch
Before
in my house.
It's a witch now.
Will you stop that? Don't you ever in your life make such comments in this house. I don't know witch and I don't have witch in my house. You hear me?
But I tell you that girl is witch. Let me tell you so. I bet we pay for life. You know, it not be God. It not be Bomila. Not be anything. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. So only answer.
Toroto, I'm telling you to stop saying that. Not in my house. Can you get that into your brain? Don't ever let me hear you say that girl is a witch. You hear me? Just take care of that. Let me know the bills.
Now you sabi, now you know. Now you get pikin. Now you know where they give them Muslim. If they talk people for you, why who are they? You said they don't respect yourself. If you respect your mother, your wife self. Your mother even better pass you. Where do you want to push you out? Why your house? You know what they have for your house. You push someone for your house, but your son will know what they happen next tomorrow. You want go? God forbid bad thing. God forbid bad thing. Not me and you.
Like that?
It's possible.
Is she that closer to God?
Honey, we have no idea. Okay? She's our maid. And as it is now, I'll just suggest we just take her as our child.
I know she is, but I'm just being due to the way she does the things. It's keeping me in suspense.
And the kids are waiting for you inside.
I love you so much.
I love you too, baby. Let's go.
Oh.
My children, how are you? Sonia, I hope you're back for school today. I think we're not saying we have a new national item now.
Yes.
Can you recite it or can you sing it for me?
Yes.
Can you try? Let me hear from you.
Nigeria, our old now will shine on top the border star. Nigeria, I'm proud to serve our sovereign that's now.
Oh, clap for it.
Mary!
Clap for yourself.
Mary, Sonia, come on.
What will be the wish? We are starting in national test.
Patoronto, I won't take this from you today. I won't take this from you today. Let's go.
Leave the here. We are playing with the sand.
Play what? Patoronto, play what? When you want to eat?
Cynthia,
Eat with him.
what's going on here?
You hear her. They cost me. This wish.
What's going on here?
I came to pick them to eat. Patoronto said I'm a witch. I want to give them witch.
Yeah, madam. The children should know. I don't make them decide they are one of the national test for me. They talk. Your question back to come out. I do back.
But even if you ask them to wait, they don't call her names.
It's a wish.
Patoronto, you are the witch. Patoronto, you are the
Cynthia.
I'm here.
Yeah, which class?
What's your problem?
Sure.
Even if you want the kid to play with you, you tell her to go. Then later she can come.
They go.
And you tell her that instead of you
They are
calling
going
her.
with
Now you boy there.
They are going with Santa.
You know what is the point?
It's fine. You go inside. Go inside.
Leave here with your wish.
Why are you acting
Madam,
this
don't
way?
allow this girl to do your children wish you.
It's fine.
The best
Stop
thing-
acting this way. That child is only old enough to be your child now.
That's my wish. Madam,
Stop it. I don't like this. Stop it now.
Hey, Dad.
Stop acting this way.
No,
Let's
do
go.
my children do. What to wear? What on my way? Make my way. Sure. I go jump and pass. I go jump and pass. Any pitch when anybody pitch for me, I go jump and pass. Any pitch I get jump for me, I go jump and pass. Any pitch I get deep for me, I go jump and pass. Even though I get where they say we go, I go jump and pass.
If na kolo, let them kolo.
Any pitch I go jump and pass.
Let them peme. All I want is victory. If Getma die, let him die. If Getma kolo, let him kolo. If Getma peme, let him peme. All I want is victory.
Any pitch I get deep for me, I go jump and pass. Any pitch I get deep for me, I go jump and pass. Even though na every pitch I go jump and pass. I'm very small with big mush. Small with big feather. Any piece I get just big for me, I go jump and pass. Small with go, you get big feather. I don't know, man, but you come in for you. I'm supposed to come for his house. Oh, do what baby, I'm going to go to mush. Just small, just go get big feather, the flying out. They control people who be saying the whole house. Yeah, I mean, no, what? Small rat. Nah, I go jump and jump, papa. The crazy. Oh, I want the man. You know, make him get to be. Small pikin, the wish. That wish, that go kill you. Go kill you. That. We are there, what is it?
Eat what? You want to eat the food of a witch? Do you want to be bewitched?
Forget that side.
Do you want to fly?
Forget that side. You
Sure you said you will not eat my food again, that I'm a witch.
don't worry, I forgive you.
It's okay.
Yes, I love that color.
I don't see her. I just give her a sneeze.
No, the other one, that green. Yes.
All right, so auntie.
Yeah, these two are nice combinations. Yes, yes.
I just use the color.
Yes. It's nice.
Very good.
So it's still the same amount.
And I it's still the same. You know, say I not fit cheap too. I not fit high your price.
This my hair is rough. I'll have to wash it.
I know what.
Maybe tomorrow, not today.
Not today.
Yes, because I have sorry.
So this one, since you don't choose these two colors, I will fed and wait for you. Okay. Tomorrow you come quick or early in the morning.
No, you wig it.
I wig it.
Yes.
Hey, that means say your money go bigger.
I wig it. I don't want stress at all. I have to tell this all back stuff. Okay, ma'am.
So the amount, now may I tell you, if you come tomorrow?
Just chat me up. I'll send it to you.
No worries.
You know how
I
great
trust
this
you.
is.
I trust Auntie.
Okay.
No, well,
Let
these
me
two colors
quickly-
go fine,
Yeah.
eh?
But if it's not enough, you let me know if I can add another color
one
to it. Yes.
Okay, my favorite this one first. I know say you did now. Thank
No
you.
problem.
Thank you.
I'll
my
see you
customer.
tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Cynthia asked me to invest in the business.
Really? Wow! That's going to be good! Now that Cynthia has said she should invest, in fact, 100%. Go ahead.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
Are you serious?
Yes. I was so surprised when she walked to the room to tell me that, madam, the business is good. That
This
is
is lovely. Meaning it's going to. Wow!
Yes,
after the business, after my everywhere, we're going to boss.
Yes,
we're going to have much money. I'm happy for you, my darling. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
But baby, is it all the time you face the light? You call electrician to do this thing now.
You know what you're not doing and calling other people to come and eat somehow.
Call electrician. Come, let's go and drink. Let's go celebrate.
In fact, this is celebration. I'm so happy the way things are going now. I'm so glad. I'm so happy. In fact, since I came into this house, it has been blessing all the way.
Yes.
Now that everything is good, sweet, balanced, I think we should increase the salary.
Honey,
Yeah.
that's not a bad idea. It's good.
Oh, really? Yeah.
And aside increasing her salary, I have been giving her little tips and buying her some gifts.
That's my wife. That's my wife. You are a woman.
Thank you.
Same she is. So you people know how to treat yourself. As for the salary, I'll make sure I make her happy.
Yes.
She's
Because she
really-
has been a blessing to this
She's really
family.
a blessing to us in this family.
Yes.
I'm so happy to. In fact, we are happy to have her. Cynthia is a blessing to
Yeah.
us.
Only that reminds me.
You know, I told you about my girlfriend whose husband will be coming from America last week.
Yeah.
The man came.
Name of girls that you know, precious. Yes. You know, name of boys that you know, success. What's your name? Name of school that you know, marvelous gold.
What kind of nonsense is this? What is all this? Have you done your assignment? Go inside. Go inside now. You're supposed to be teaching them, not this thing.
This place you're supposed to write he, not him, because he was drunk, okay? Where are you? Death's bed. This is death's bed. Okay, continue from there. Death's bed. The old man lay on his death's bed. He called his ma.
Let me show you your assignment.
Almost done, ma.
When you finish that later, put your test inside your bag.
Thank you, babe.
How are you? Okay. So go inside. I want to talk to Cynthia.
We'll finish it in the room, okay? Okay. So yeah, I'll finish yours, okay?
Go inside.
Ma,
Cynthia,
ma.
I've been meaning to ask you, where are your parents? Is anything the matter? What? Why are you crying?
No, my parents died when I was a little child.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about that, okay? So sorry. Huh? Now we are your parents.
Thank you so much, ma. Thank you. God will bless you. Thank you.
You have been a good girl.
Thank you, ma.
Okay, it's okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you can go inside and drink.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Ma, what would you like to have for dinner?
About vegetable soup.
Okay.
Cynthia! Cynthia!
Ma!
Please come.
Ma.
Yeah.
Please. Thank you, ma.
I want to appreciate you for what you have done for this family. God bless you.
Amen.
Thank you so much. For that, my husband have decided to increase your salary.
Ma, you've done enough for me now.
It's just your salary, nothing more. And you have also done enough for this family. So we need to appreciate you.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you so much.
God bless you, ma.
Bless you too, my dear.
Mm.
What are you cooking?
Spaghetti.
Do we still have stew in the fridge?
Yes, ma.
I would love to eat rice.
Okay, ma.
Thank you.
Yes, ma. Thank you so much, ma.
Thank you.
Madam. How are you feeling?
I'm getting better.
Ma, let me take you to the hospital so you run some tests.
Let me wait for my husband.
Ma,
to
you are
come
not
back.
getting better. You can book a cab with your phone so we'll go together. I will accompany you.
It's fine. Go get my phone.
Alright, ma.
You're supposed to be here by now. How are you?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Cynthia, what happened now? What took you so long?
Madam, the cab got bad on our way coming.
You need to get another one.
There was no money to book another.
Hey, you call me.
I don't have a phone to reach you now.
That's true. It's okay. Hope you guys are good.
Yes,
Okay. Take them inside.
Cynthia! Cynthia! Cynthia!
Honey?
I don't know. I'm trying to call Cynthia, but she's not responding.
Why is she lying down like this? Cynthia! Cynthia!
Sir, okay. Ma,
What do you mean? What was that? You mean you didn't hear when I was calling you?
sorry, ma. Sir,
Cynthia,
sir.
what happened? We've been calling you and you lie here saying nothing.
Sorry, ma. Thank you, ma.
Could this be true?
Honey, don't worry now. Cynthia can go pick them up. Yes, I already told her before leaving the house. Even if I'm not around for 1 month, Cynthia can take care of them. Yes, honey, don't bother yourself. Yes. It's okay. I love you. Bye. Lady B.
Auntie,
Ma?
I don't understand. I dey hear what you dey talk. You say even if you not there house for a month,
Yes.
not be that your house girl be Cynthia.
Yes, she is.
She will fit take care of your children for you. Auntie, you trust that your house girl. You trust her well, rich like that.
Lady B.
So then you go leave your family for a month.
Lady B, that girl is a blessing to my family. She is so kind, nice. She just have a heart like you. She's so soft and all that, and mostly she is gifted. Imagine the other day my husband wanted to invest some money into one business. She told my husband not to invest in it. If not, he will lose the business and all that. I told my husband, but he did not listen. He invested in that business. At the end, he lost everything. She's gifted. When she tells you this thing is going to happen, that's it. And I love her so much. Yes.
So they see that kind of house head.
They do. They do, because one is living with me right now. They do. Hey, Cynthia, she's a nice girl.
Wonderful.
She's a nice girl.
Are you sure?
That's the best thing to do.
Okay. Cynthia. Cynthia.
Sir.
We called you for a purpose. We really want to find out this, whatever you say comes to pass in this house. I don't know. Are you a seer?
No, sir. Whenever I feel something, I just say it.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
And whatever you say comes to pass. Okay. Okay. Oh. Hey, let me ask you this question. Did your parents pass any power to you?
No, sir. My grandfather was a seer.
Oh. Now I see. No wonder. Now I know where it's coming from. So, it transcends to you from your grandfather. You are a seer.
So I don't know, but whenever I feel something, I'll say it. Whenever something bad or good is about to happen, I feel it.
That is exactly what we are saying here. You are a seer. Okay, no problem. Just go.
Thank you, sir.
Cynthia.
Mommy, I told you this girl is gifted. She is.
It's okay. As far as we are okay with it, and
Yeah, she's not using it for bad.
yeah,
She's
I'm
really
okay.
using it to help us.
I'm okay.
For our own good. So
Yeah.
it's fine.
She must be a blessing to us.
Of course she is.
Oni,
I'll discuss it
No,
with
we are running
Cynthia.
late.
I'll discuss it with her.
Anything? Did she say we should go?
No, it's not about this. I was telling her to go pick the kids up from school.
Okay. Can we go now?
Yes, I said.
Food is ready, ma.
Okay, but I'm not hungry yet. You can go give my kids and you too. Go eat.
Madam, I won't eat if you don't eat.
But I'm not hungry yet now.
Eat. It's your favorite vegetable soup.
Okay. Bring mine.
Okay.
Lady B. Good afternoon, ma. What's going on? What's the matter? Your face is not bright. What's going on?
Auntie, I still thinking about my daughter.
You don't have to worry yourself about that.
They think of maybe by now she go down for don't still go school. I just see one girl we just passed just now. As the girl just passed, exactly like my daughter, my late daughter.
Lady B,
Remember my daughter.
it's fine. Stop stressing yourself like this. It won't help. It won't. You already have kids here that you can leave, but at least you can take care of and all that.
You remember, say those ones not be my children.
I understand.
They not be my children.
Thinking will not bring her back. No. Just calm down. Anyways, I came to pick my hair.
Oh, your hair.
Yes.
I beg, I never do one. I beg.
You see what I'm talking about? You thinking like this, you won't be able to do anything. And you just have to share up now. And I told you I wanted to use that hair.
I beg, auntie. Listen, I want to do tomorrow evening. I beg.
It's fine.
I don't get strength for years. I just sit down here.
Please, be strong, okay? Don't think too much. Because it's not going to help. It's not going to bring her back.
Say go bring her for don't take with my daughter for come back to me.
So you don't have to stress yourself. It's fine. Let me just go home and use the other one I have in the house. It's fine. Be good. I don't want to come tomorrow to see you like this. I won't be happy with you. Okay? I'm glad you're smiling now. I'll see you. Bye.
Summer, winter, up to spring. Mountain, blue sky, melody. Jesus, the maker of them all. Everywhere I go, I see you right there. In the city, in the beauty of nature, you shine bright and all. You are everything, everything is you. Precious Jesus, you wonderful, wonderful you are. Oh, 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 oh. Everywhere I go, I see you right there.
Amen, auntie. Belle, how the boss?
Fine, they are all.
Thank you.
I will want you to come visit me at home.
Hey, me?
Yes.
Lady B.
Yes.
May I call your house? Auntie, I like him.
You know you're the only friend I have.
Oh, auntie.
So I would love for you to come see my family.
Your family. Auntie, I for happy.
Hey, so tell me, when will you be chance?
No, put on for weekend.
Okay, is it Friday or Saturday?
No, put on for Saturday. We have to do it away with for my customers.
Okay.
So no, put on Friday.
Okay.
Friday
evening. By then the kids will be around.
And I even want me. I see your children, your husband. Most especially that your house girl will say trust.
Oh, Cynthia.
I want me I see her.
Okay, it's
Because the thing still they imagine me. So I want me I see her.
Yes, you see her.
Auntie,
So I'll be glad. So I'll come Friday evening, right?
Friday. That Friday, if you call for money, I'll lock my store.
Okay, money.
I'll lock my store. I'll tell my girls, say me they not just come that day.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll lock the store.
okay then. It's fine. Money is okay.
Money.
Okay. New hair? You have any new hair?
Yes, now.
Let me see.
What's the food now? Food there. Me I chew you.
Yeah, let me see.
I show my customer one. Thank you.
It's a nice one.
Yes, sir.
Honey, my girlfriend will be coming to see me by weekend.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Have you told Cynthia?
Yes, I did.
And what did she say?
She said it's fine.
Okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
You know why I asked?
I know. I know.
It's okay, my dear. It's okay.
Yeah. So what about the stuff you were telling me about last night?
I'm still working on it, and according to my client, it's still giving me hope.
Okay.
Still giving me hope.
Since,
It's going to work out.
Since Cynthia approved it, so it's going to come out good.
Wow.
Love you, baby.
Do you know you are the best wife ever?
And you're the best husband.
Wow.
Toronto.
I'm available here.
Toronto.
I see me here now.
Please, I'm expecting a visitor tomorrow. I want you guys to be up and doing. Not the cataract thing you and Cynthia are doing in this compound. I won't accept that, please.
Well, madam, I've heard you. I should have been supposed to go have advice and sit here.
I'm telling you first.
First, I should tell me, I don't need that, no matter than no drug and go also advice.
Is Cynthia not old enough to be your child?
You can't matter the young girl, I don't hear you. So, I should advise me, go.
It's fine. I will advise her.
That's all.
You guys have to be careful, please. I'm expecting a visitor.
Okay.
I don't want that noise.
Okay.
Please.
Now, come on, let's
Cynthia.
Ma, welcome back.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Why are you crying?
I'm not crying, ma. Are these not tears on your face?
No, ma. Something fell inside my eyes, ma.
Don't lie to me. What is it?
Nothing, ma.
You know you're like a daughter to me now. You can talk to me. You can tell me anything. Did I wrong you?
No, ma.
Did my husband do something to you?
No, ma.
Toronto,
No, ma.
did you guys have an argument?
No, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma. It's just headache.
If you have headache, you take paracetamol.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
If you have any issues, you can talk to me. You know that.
Yes, ma.
Okay, it's fine. Where are my children?
They are sleeping, ma.
Okay, you can get me water to drink.
Okay, ma. Welcome, ma.
It's okay.
Lady B, welcome to our house.
Yes, sister. Now you be yours. Jesus.
Oh, girl, please come have a seat.
Hey, yeah, be like heaven. Madam,
Thank you.
no wonder they bring different hair. Can't they give me a look for you? Please come on. See house.
Start again now.
See house. Now you want me to leave this one? Hey, boy. Auntie. So you get money like this? Hey!
Thank God for everything.
This one I have.
Let me call my house help so she can bring something for you to drink.
This one I have.
Cynthia! Cynthia!
Now we
Please
this
come.
one.
Yes.
Window.
That's window blind.
Jesus.
Ma, please get some drink for my friend.
Okay, ma.
Oh, wow.
Jesus Christ, wonderful mate for life. This guy they are both at us. Hey, I'm going to ask that. She magical. Huh? Then you will die. You will come share for that place again.
Mother. So it happened. That's it happened, madam. My one and only daughter. My everything. My life, my world.
Mommy, stop it.
I don't cook, can't go eat.
And Mommy, you didn't tell me you were cooking.
As I see, say you sit down for here, you dey play. I know, say you don't dey hungry, I don't cook.
Mommy, you should
Your
have told
favorite.
me now. Allow me be doing things for myself. I'm not a baby.
You say?
Allow
Maybe they do. God forbid. When me stand like this, my tongue have not cut. Let me go the cooker. Just forget that one. Get up, make go eat it. I know I mean they touch anything. You know, say since I born you, not to do anything. So I say it go be. It not go change one day. Get up. See my love now. My one and only baby. Can go eat. Now your favorite I just eat. Oh, what are you? Where you go?
I want to go and visit Sister Precious.
Sister Precious. Ah, wow. If I say me you not go now, you'll start to cry again. Huh? I be no one make you go. Okay, now no one make you cry. But one thing you promise me, not let it dark before you come ask. May I beg you? I beg. Not let it dark. Oh. Once it is 5 o'clock, you just come ask direct.
Don't worry, I'll come in.
Okay. If you see say they dark, I know as you the play. Say Precious, me just carry you, hold you with her hand, come drop it for us for me. Make she not escort you reach road though.
It's okay.
Say Precious, me carry you come for me oh.
Alright.
I take God beg you. Mawa,
Ma.
come and praise him first.
Mawa, baby.
I beg not tea, I beg eh.
I won't.
This motor way you want to take come out, my daughter feel her. Huh? All right, go.
Tell me about it.
Then praise me again. Mawa, my baby.
I will come home.
All
So
right.
tell me back.
I better not talk to anybody for road though. As you they go, just go there direct.
Okay. Yeah, tell me bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Greet her for me oh. Mama, what baby? Oh, brother, thank you. Only me know if you carry this water. Eh? I don't know with you or more why they do like this. Huh? They don't that come on one come out for Precious house, come meet me for us. I know they like all this kind of thing. I want to carry this water. Huh?
Mama the mama.
Ah, Precious. What your mom what they do for your asses? More what?
Ma.
I don't they look for everywhere since they look for you.
I'm here now.
I don't understand. Mom, Precious, I beg if they call your house, I beg not they let her they take it like this.
Mommy, not vex. Now wait till they gather do since.
What you know they do like
finish
that?
now I say if you don't through, I'll by myself carry come to me for house.
I don't they look for you. Sometimes I'll come out, I go look for check.
Mommy, don't do. She there with me.
You know, say I know the one man they leave her for at least 5 seconds. Mr. Precious, I beg next time, not let her tell you.
I hear, Mama. I hear, Mommy.
My man be one court since.
I hear, Mommy.
More what baby.
Ma.
Alright, this one way do so 2 weeks, you not go enter your house. Complete 2 weeks.
I'm not one of.
Mama, wait till you want cry.
Mommy, she not go fit.
I'll go tomorrow.
Listen. Tomorrow. Okay, I don't hear. I don't hear. Tomorrow you go meet her. Abi?
Yes.
Auntie Precious, I beg. Anytime when she take on your house, I beg, let her dey come as quick on time.
Okay,
you know, say if I don't see her for good 10 minutes to 20 minutes, I don't dey panic.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, say na only I know the easy play with anybody.
I
you
know. Mommy, I know. Mommy, my Richard say.
All right, thank you.
I better take care of yourself. Omowa.
Ma.
I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Bye.
Be good. Have a nice time.
Bye-bye.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right, see you.
Thank you. Oh, beg, hold me first. This why they look for.
You miss me?
Where now? What did they tell me? Ah, I beg, Johnny carry this water. If no, wait. You know, you have to carry this one. I beg. May I go blue bucket, my come bill. Wait for me for here. Are you waiting for?
Mommy, give me one.
Mr. Precious. Why be so na yours quick come? Not be so you be tell me.
Mommy, I say make I bring more work on this evening on time. Because tomorrow morning she'll follow me go markets, go buy things for markets.
No wonder. How man wow just go your house now? You still carry her for after some hours. I know say if she come out for morning and night she'll take which house.
Now I say make I carry her come early today. Because tomorrow morning we go market together.
No wahala, see they tell me now fear no let me say make she not go because she go dey cry. You now you be her second mommy.
Thank you, ma.
No problem. Tomorrow I'll be.
Alright, ma.
You can't carry her tomorrow.
I'll come carry her tomorrow morning.
But you come by yourself, can't carry her beg.
I will come.
No wahala.
Okay, Mowa. Dress on time.
Alright, bye.
Come early.
I will.
Alright, now for my lap. Mommy,
Yeah.
why I not miss you? Not say no let me sit down for years.
You're waiting for me.
Did you cook? Baby. I cook now. Now you dey talk this one. Your food dey pop. Precious,
I am mommy.
Belle.
I am mommy.
How everything for house?
Thank God, ma. Thank God.
Though, you don't still look. You can't still check your daughter, abi? May I call her for you?
Mommy, you get what I want to follow you talk.
Okay. Tell me.
You think the same, mommy? I want to do my birthday.
Ah!
My birthday now this weekend or Saturday.
This weekend?
Eh.
Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you, ma.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, ma.
Yeah. Belle, I don't even know self.
Mommy, I go like me or more Uwadiae with me that day.
That day.
Moreover, she go sleep. May she for help me do some things for house. After people don't come out.
This sleeping, that one guy dey. You know, say I know they want me or more what the other person has.
Mommy, I know.
I know they want since I born more, I never sleep outside once.
I know, mommy. Me, I can't beg you. I beg, ma. More will be like my younger one. I not go agree me anything hotter or even near her at all. I not agree, mama. I beg, mommy.
I know. Say she be like your daughter self. No wahala.
Mommy, she did save with me.
No problem.
No fear, no worry.
problem.
I go by myself, carry, I can't give you daybreak.
No wahala, man. You know what you do for me? You go buy wrapper, big one. Use a tire for back. Throughout the night, still carry a car, not give me tomorrow. The next morning, I beg. I beg.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma.
I go manage stay
Okay,
as
ma. Thank you, ma.
Belle.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you,
May I
ma.
call her for you now?
Okay, ma.
Number.
Ma.
Hey, come on, my baby. Your second mommy is here. Hey, I say you don't know. Say your mom, your second mommy is here.
How are you?
No, Auntie Precious, she want to do her birthday. She said she dey celebrate her on Saturday, I believe. On Saturday this weekend. So she said you want to go follow her, go as maybe go sleep her house. Be happy now, be there.
Thank you, ma.
She said you will spend day break for her side.
On Sunday, me and our dad are calling in the morning.
Sunday.
No, in the evening.
Now in the morning, what is the actually you see my pikin? A whole day, you know, day this house, only me 9 want sleep bed. You see they say till evening. If you like say you don't love mommy,
I go carry and come. I go carry and come in the morning. You don't try.
What did they see they do? Precious promise me say early in the morning go carry more work and give me for us. I mean, may I go look for them? May I go Precious house? Since Monday don't the dark. I don't know what I'll do. I don't like this thing with Precious they do. Don't be so Precious, tell me. What did happen now? Don't be so Precious, tell me. Oh God, I for not allow Comot die yesterday. For not allow Precious carry this pikin Comot. When Precious no say I no fit stay without my daughter. Precious! Precious, where am I? Precious, where my daughter?
Mommy.
Where am I?
Mommy, no. Mommy. Who they do better yesterday? I don't know where some area boys for. I don't know where it's happened.
What's happened?
I don't know where it cause quarrel between them.
Where am I?
They call me shoot school.
Where am I?
They shoot me call, I don't know.
Where am I?
They call me some more. Mommy. I say it happened, madam. Mama. Oh, my baby. Mama, my baby. Mama, my baby. My dear baby, come now. Let's go look for her. Whether I go see her, madam. Mama, yeah. Mama, no wait for me. Mama, baby, come back. Mama, hey, Mama.
Toronto. Toronto.
Welcome, Oga. Oga, welcome. How are me for week like that? How are me? What magic to happen for your house? Cynthia na spiritual mapping.
What do you mean?
Cynthia na spiritual mapping.
Can you talk to me?
It don't feather. Now it don't vanish. Since I don't vanish.
No, come. Are you joking?
Which I do that? Since I don't vanish. I don't feel this for that girl. Since I spiritual woman. It don't vanish. Your wife in the house. Where I can go.
Honey.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Honey.
Imagine. Now even go for this my guy, you bad for yourself. As I told you, say this girl, if I were my boy, they don't agree here. You don't agree here. We talk about say, we don't give them the wish or whatever she gets. We thank God. Who knows? Say whether they can give herself, keep themselves. Hey, Jesus, thank God. Say I don't go away for your body. Then my hair good. He said make you not keep me. For you keep me to will. You put it like that. When you want me, I'm mad for keep me.
Where I got this place? Mama.
Honey.
Mama.
Honey. Babe.
Oh, my baby.
She was a very nice girl. She was very nice to us. It's okay. It's okay, madam. You can't kill yourself. This is life.
Mom, God exists for this side. God did this.
Such is life, madam. Just have to put yourself together, okay? Stop crying. It's okay.
Auntie has done enough for this family.
Yes.
She has helped us enough. Oh, she was like my daughter.
Our daughter.
I never knew we were living with a ghost.
And it's okay. It's okay, my dear. It's okay. It's not question God. It has happened. It has happened. We just have to put ourselves together. Please, it's okay. Yes,
if our kids come back from school, they'll definitely ask after her. What will I tell them? What?
You don't have to crack your brains over that. When it comes, we'll tell them she traveled, not to come back again.
I know. How I leave me years ago?
Madam, that is spirit for you. That is spirit for you. It's okay.
He's come back from school. They'll definitely ask after her. What will I tell them?
Honey, don't bother yourself over that. When they come, we'll let them know she traveled. She traveled, she's not going to come back again. You should gather yourself and stop crying. Put yourself